Deep in the high mountains of Bolivia, near Lake Titicaca, lies a fascinating place called Puma Punku. It's part of an old city named Tiwanaku, built around 536 AD by the Tiwanaku people. This civilization was very important in South America long before the Inca, lasting from about 300 to 1000 AD. But we knew surprisingly little about them because they did not write anything down. We don't even know exactly where they came from or why they built Puma Punku. What makes Puma Punku special is how incredibly well it's built. The stonework is unlike anything else from the ancient times. Huge blocks of sandstone and andesite rock, some heavier than 20 elephants, were carved with amazing precision. These stones fit together perfectly, like puzzle pieces. Even today, after hundreds of years, you can't slide a razor blade between them. Scientists have ideas, maybe they have special tools, or perhaps they used a kind of ancient concrete. But even with modern technology, we haven't solved these puzzles. That's why Puma Punku is so captivating. It's not just the amazing stonework, it's all the unanswered questions that keep drawing people back, hoping to finally unlock the secrets hidden in its stone. Puma Punku means the door of the Puma in the Aymara language, is one of the most mysterious and fascinating ancient archaeological sites in the world. This site is situated at an altitude of approximately 12,800 feet above sea level, which makes the constructions of such a sophisticated structure even more surprising considering the lack of oxygen and harsh climate at that height. The site contains massive stone blocks, some weighing more than 100 tons, which were carved with astonishing accuracy. These blocks are made of extremely hard materials such as granite and diorite. These are the types of rocks that are even harder than iron. What's more impressive is that the stone blocks are cut with perfectly straight lines, smooth surfaces, and exact right angles. Many of these stone shapes like puzzle pieces designed to interlock perfectly without the use of mortar or cement. Even today with modern tools, it would be a difficult task to recreate such precise cuts. This has led many to question how an ancient civilization, supposedly without iron tools or advanced technology, could accomplish such a feat over 1,000 years ago. The mystery of how these massive stones were transported to the site only adds to the puzzle. Some of the stones came from quarries located over 50 miles away. The Tiwanaku people did not have wheeled carts or pack animals like horses or oxen, which raises even more questions. How did they move these gigantic stones across mountains and rugged terrain? Some scientists believe they used simple tools, ropes, and lots of manpower, but others argue that these explanations do not fully account for the level of precision and the sheer size of the materials. This is why Puma Punku has become a popular subject of alternative theories, including suggestions that ancient astronauts or extraterrestrial beings may have been involved in its construction. Although these ideas are widely popular in documentaries and books, however, mainstream archaeologists do not support the alien theory as there is no scientific evidence to prove it. Despite its ruined conditions today, archaeologists believe that Puma Punku was once a grand ceremonial platform or temple complex. It likely served as a sacred place for religious and spiritual gathering. The layout of the site suggests that it may have been aligned with the stars or solar events, which indicates the builders have a deep understanding of astronomy and mathematics. Some of the most famous features at the sites include the H blocks, which are precisely shaped stones that look like the letter H and fit together with other stones like parts of a machine. These structures, along the carved motifs and symmetrical designs, show that the builders were not only skilled engineers but also highly artistic and intelligent. Puma Punku remains one of the most intriguing ancient sites in the world, not just because of its age and location, but because of the advanced technique used to cut, shape, and place enormous stones with incredible precision. It challenges our understandings of what ancient people were capable of and opens the door to many questions about lost knowledge, ancient technology, and human history. While many mysteries still surround Puma Punku, it stands as a powerful reminder that ancient civilization may have been seen far more advanced than we often imagine. Whether built through unknown ancient techniques or by clever engineering, using tools now lost to time, Puma Punku continues to amaze and inspire researchers, explorers, and curious minds around the globe. If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.